What up, YouTube? It's me, Isaac, coming to you with another edition of My Life. So tonight for dinner, my dad made coney dogs, which that's what we have all seen coney dogs, but that's what it looks like, and it looks pretty flippin' tasty. Let's see how good everything is. Oh my god, that's delicious.
That dude is so goofy. I just won. He said, I hope Sam Lee is happy.
This is absolutely delicious. No thanks. Oh man, this chili dog's messy, dude.
My name is Castlewood Gross. I'm tired. Hey, I'm back with the icy.
Will you grab me a fork though?
I love to be lazy. I'm retired. I'm tired.
Please.
Baking makes me feel good. I think that's the fulfillment I'm looking for. I'm just gonna be creative. Do what I can do. You do.
I'm Beverly Blanchett. I'm from West Palm Beach.
I guess I could use a spoon.
I have a lot going on. I just recently was divorced and going into
Thanks.
it, I've been thinking that
Welcome to the Up-to-Date Words, Friday, Tuesday.
I'm gonna need it for the dog. But yeah, look how good this dog looks, guys.
with my granddaughters so they can remember making cookies with grandma.
So are you saying you like beef sticks in your mouth?
Ignore my dad. My god, that's a good hot dog though. Nothing beats a ballpark prank.
Except for that's not a ballpark, Frank.
I'm used to that old-fashioned cooking and reading recipes. So it's
I know that, but what is it? One, two. Oh man, this looks good. So like I said, my dad made coney dogs, and as you saw, it was really tasty. Is there any corn, Dad?
What should you want?
I know, but I changed my mind. Cool. What? Oh man. Whenever my dad makes coney dogs, my buns end up looking like this. I turn it over and show it all off, but I don't want it all to fall off. But if you've eaten coney dogs, you know how messy these are. But that just means they're good.
Don't show your buns on the YouTube.
Ignore my dad.
You are going to have to hand cut all those shapes.
Mm.
There is a quick prize at the end of this round, which will take about 60 minutes. So put on your brave face and start cooking!
Okay, so I'm pressing it again. Okay, there it is.
They cookie dough. They cookie
Talk about tasty. I love it when my dad makes chili dogs.
So you need to start by bringing the onion and spices to the bowl. Whisk in baking soda, butter, and egg. Mix it until the dough begins to form. Roll it out and then
How exactly do you make the sweet corn, Dad?
them until they are lightly golden. Assemble your bugs by using wire icing to attach the legs, wings, and to
Butter, soy sauce, parmesan.
That sounds delicious.
I like cinnamon and
I can't wait to try it.
cloves. I think that cookie spice
Hopefully I can keep my video going before you get it,
is usually pretty good when I have control. Something
which I should be able to. But yeah, today's been a really good day. Check out my earlier video for why that was.
like I would at home.
That earlier video was delicious too.
You just started.
You mean you didn't eat drama soup all day?
Ignore my dad. I'm just waiting on him to get me my corn.
That's funny.
Ignore my dad yet again. Oh yeah, why didn't I? I'm okay without corn. I forgot about these. I really don't want to eat too many of these. Come on. Shake out.
Hey, do more corn.
Somebody was hot.
what tools do you use?
Or which cheese did you get?
You can put my corn up for tomorrow, Dad. I'll eat it tomorrow. Okay. Oh man, these taco chips are delicious. Go check out that video too.
I'm surprised you don't like those taco chips.
I do. I almost asked you to grab some more when I called you earlier.
They're nasty.
Talk about tasty.
So Melissa's gonna be using bugs of any kind, snakes, flying, and landing. So I was already nervous coming in. Then when we landed, I thought we were gonna die because like we literally hit and we just like.
I'm your host, Isaac Brummett. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, share with your friends. Peace out, y'all. Have a good one. I know I sure as hell will. Peace out, y'all. Have a good one. Ignore my dad. I'm your host, Isaac Brummett. Please like, subscribe, share with your friends, leave a comment. Peace out, y'all. Later.
Reminds him to pay me.